What do you think will happen if I add aluminum foil to an acidified solution of copper 2 sulfate? Let's find out.
For this experiment, we'll use copper 2 sulfate, concentrated 12 molar hydrochloric acid, aluminum foil, a lighter, and a 2000 milliliter beaker. Begin by tearing off a sheet of aluminum foil and wadding it into a stick that's slightly taller than your beaker. Add 200 milliliters of 12 molar hydrochloric acid to your beaker. Measure out 6 grams of copper 2 sulfate. Add the copper 2 sulfate to your solution and stir until aqueous. You'll notice that the copper 2 sulfate creates a green solution with the hydrochloric acid.
Now you're ready to add your aluminum foil to your solution of copper 2 sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Doing so will liberate copper ions, hydrogen gas, and create aluminum chloride. When we ignite that hydrogen gas, you'll see this amazing flame. Check it out. I'm going to add my aluminum foil. That acidified solution starts to break down the aluminum and release hydrogen gas. Watch what happens. Look at that amazing blue flame. Isn't that awesome? It is gorgeous. Beautiful blue. Just amazing. So an important question that people often ask is, what creates that amazing blue flame? Well, when you add aluminum foil to the copper sulfate and acid solution, what happens is you displace copper ions because aluminum is higher on the activity series than copper. And when you ignite the hydrogen gas, those copper ions get excited and their electrons jump energy levels. But when they return to their grounded state, each electron emits one photon, whose wavelength is 452 nanometers. And through the light spectrum, that appears to us as the color blue. And that's what creates that amazing blue flame. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.